Good morning, everyone. I have blessed, beautiful, and blessing day. My name is Josh Bihames from Kabuuan, Ginsiliban, Camiguin. I report. My report is Cultural Globalization in the Contemporary World, exploring the culture connecting our world. Introduction. Why culture matters in globalization? Behind economics, will globalization often focus on trade and politics, culture, service as the inseparable bridge connecting the ways of selection worldwide. Human connections. Human connection, cultural exchange creates understanding between the people, fostering apply in the breaking down barriers that economics alone cannot address. Defining cultural globalization. Idea and values. Worldwide spread of beliefs, philosophy and ways of thinking are across borders. Lifestyle. Adoption of function, entertainment, in daily practice from different cultures. Acknowledge exchange. Sharing of traditions, media, and educational connecting top global networks. Culture globalization represent to blending a exchange of human experience of planetary scale, contemporary drives, digital revolutions, social media platform like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter instantly share cultural trends across connected creating verbal global phenomenon. Global mobility. International travel and migration bring people face to face with new cultures, featuring direct cultural exchange. International industry, Hollywood, blockbuster, hip-hop, concern, and streaming service describe cultural connected of billion worldwide media and pop culture influence. Number 1. Hollywood global reach. American films demands international box office spring Western value in storytelling style worldwide. Number 2. K-pop phenomenon. Korean music groups like BTS have created a global fan base, promoting Korean language and cultural informality. 3. Streaming revolutions. Platforms like Netflix and Spotify make deserved cultural content accessibility from Bollywood films to American music. Educational exchange. Number 1. Student mobility. Over 5 million students study abroad, manual creating networks of cultural ambassador work with. Number 2. English Lingua Franca. English serves as the common language for international communication, science, and technology. Number 3. Digital learning. Online platforms enable across borders knowledge sharing, making education globally accessible. Opportunities and benefits. Exchange of understanding. Example, exposed to different cultures, promotes tolerance in play in global criticism among young people, creative invention, culture, function, speak creativity in art, music, functions, technology, driving human progress and forward. 3 is economic development. Cultural industries both stories and create jobs, especially benefiting developing countries, showcasing their heritage. Challenge of rich cultural relations. These are the fronts. Loss of indigenous language and traditions. 2. Dominance of Western cultural values. 3. Stagnation reducing cultural diversity. Next, identity crisis. The young standing between global and local values. 2 is creation of culture authenticity, generation of leftover tradition. The future of cultural globalization. Number 1 is digital culture. Digital culture is visual, communicative, and will create creative new space of cultural information, and identity for mom. Number 2, EI and creativity. Ano ito gamiton sa gara sa mga research. Okay? Article introduction, assist of creative music, art, and films. Reality revolution, culture productions. Number 3 is cultural protections. Growing movements focus in communities on promoting local tradition while stimulating global connections. The challenge access, how do we perceive cultural diversity will exchange our formation futures. Thank you everyone for listening to my report. I hope you understanding to my report. Thank you very much.